All right, there it is. Ow, 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 ow. Remember, pick up your nails and stuff so you don't step on it. You get what's stuck in your knee. All right, I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but this is the way I'm going to start. I'm actually really impressed with this little thing. Titanium, wood, metal. I think I'm starting a fire. I say since we have them a little loose, I think maybe a little hammer? I don't want to break the board, so should we try a rubber mallet first? I don't know. I don't know. That was loud. Yeah, maybe not that way. Maybe the saw's way to go and then just... because that's loud. Let's try it. Alright, let's do it the long way. The tips are kind of getting worn out, but that's alright. I have plenty more blades. It's not even that hot out. You see me dripping? Do you? Do you see me dripping? Look, I'm not even doing work. Ah, humidity. I took a little break. Drank some water. I feel better. All right, let's try to pull these off. Struggle's real. All right, well, that's one. It's starting to get dangerous out here. Look at all these sharp things I could step on, so yeah, and that's pretty dang sharp right there. I'm gonna go put shoes on, then I'll be back. Why'd I throw that over there? I don't know. See you in a second. All right. You know what? I think I'm gonna put on a different blade. Let's, oh, wrong way. It's unscrewed like that. Ooh, that's hot. Got this big container of them. Gotta get a deal on getting a lot of them. Yeah, let's use one of those. Everything good comes wrapped in plastic, right? Oh, wrong way, dummy. Well, is there a wrong way? It's just closer to your fingers then. All right. Where am I doing it at? This is nice oak though, but it's got all those damn nails in it. Step two? Well, actually, yeah. Steve Walls, here's a step two for you. All right, camping with Steve. Step two. Look at that nice koozie that Jason's got. Cobbles. They ain't lying. It's beer refreshing. What was I doing? Oh yeah. All right. Starting to sweat again. Beer refreshing. Beer refreshing. Oh, the beer refreshing. Bears like it. I only got like 10 teeth left. Maybe another blade. Whew, it's getting warm out here, guys. You know I don't deal with humidity very well. It's October and it's 80 degrees. It shouldn't be 80 degrees in October. That's why I told Mother Nature, but she didn't care. She don't care. Which one should I use? I'll use another straight one. That worked well for a while. Oh. So what are you guys doing on a beautiful Friday? I want a wooden backdrop. But if you don't push on it, it works really good. Just let the weight of the thing do it, and there's no damage. So I won't push the next one. A caveman can do it if he had power tools. That was easy. That's a lot of wood, but I got one more pallet for some reason. It's got 4 of these crossbars. That's stronger, I guess. No pressure. Teeth look really good yet, so I don't know. I think I got the blade too hot. I think I should drink some water too, because yeah. I decided to switch tools for this one. These nails are freaking crazy. I still have this row left. I have to figure that out. I tried to just pry that off, but the screws are like it's not fun. I'm definitely gonna look for those nails the next time I pick one up for a project. That made it easy, huh? But now what do I do with the metal board? Oh, that was a lot of fun. I just don't know how to get the middle ones off. Do I cut them too? Well, let's see if this works, huh? I can't step on those. Step here though. Let's play with fire. I'm gonna kill a lot of grass with this though. So far this project's eaten up 3 of my blades and a lot of my patience. Ooh, it's still warm. Ooh, maybe I should let it cool down a little bit before I do this. Nah, let's do it. 100 grit. Let's touch it up. I wish you had smell-o-vision because you can smell all the burnt grass. I don't really want to sand it. I just want to get the loose stuff off. Dang it. Just went out of over a nail that was sticking out. Dang it. Back my paper. I ain't got much left. Alright. Next step. 60 by whatever. The length really doesn't matter. It's just the whatever. Yes, that doesn't matter. It's gonna be a skinny one, huh? Alright, skinny. I like this one. Oh, this one's really thin too. Yeah. That won't go nowhere. I like this one better. Oh, that's way off. Why didn't you guys tell me? We got a cheater for this. I'll get it right, don't worry guys. I'll get it right. That's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. You don't see that gap, right? All right. I don't see it either. Shooting blanks. I was dumb earlier. I was trying to load them from this side. I'm like, they don't fit. They go on this side. All right, now I can use this one. Load it. Oh, duh. That's why it ain't long enough. That piece is supposed to go right there. Well, alright, no. I can't do that. The whole pattern is small, big, I think. Small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. This will not look right. Right? Actually, you know what? It can. It's not the shortest piece. Yeah. Yep. Executive decision. What'd I do, guys? No, keeping it. Come too far. Bless you. I do have a pneumatic hammer, but right now I don't have anything pneumatic. Come on. This ain't that hard. It ain't rocket science. That just work. Is that? That ain't going nowhere, right? I think I just broke it. I don't know why I don't have power. Come on, one more piece, buddy. One more piece. I don't know. Did I get unplugged? I don't know. Did my power go out? I gotta square it up, but there's nothing square on it. Maybe I'll just take one of these points and do it. I don't know how to do this. Maybe it's square enough. I mean, the bottom's pretty square. I just lined it up and eyeball it? Maybe I'll do that. I'll take that as square. Yeah. It'll just have a point, I guess. There's a nail right there I gotta poke out. Oh no! I'm breaking it. Do I go from the other side then? This guy. On with this guy. Come on, more power. More power. Please read manual before using. It probably says don't hit it on the cement. I don't know. Power. Oh, this all-day project. Hit her straight, James. Hit her straight. Ow. Ow. I think that's good. I'm genuinely happy with it. Genuinely happy with it. All right, there it is. Ow. Oh, ow. 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 Remember, pick up your nails and stuff so you don't step on it, or you get what's stuck in your knee. That's fine. I don't know if I'm gonna get this in the basement or not, but that's where it's going. It's a crazy world out there, and sometimes you need a backdrop to your new gold studio in your basement. Well, it's up. It looks pretty dang good.